rang galo la tin
Sisters and our dear parents, a hearty welcome to everyone.
The blessing of God, the great builders on this new school building, and your arrival, dear friends, tops our hearts with joy, enthusiasm, and excitement. A very good Stephen, Bishop of Aizawl Diocese, Paul Larokima, Honorable Minister for Rural Development, Land Revenue and Settlement and Information and Public Relations, Reverend Brother Devasi, the Provincial Superior of the Monfort Brothers, Province of Northeast India, Reverend Father Francis, the Parish Priest of Christ the King, Parish Colicon.
Monfort Academy buildingที่Zirlai Telek Telai Chever with the Tan Trankai Taka Tiam Sirnaru Nani Gay Turin to Sangma Samper Tatan Sungin Long Tatin Hongen
Academy School by signing ourselves in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. May God, the source of all holiness, who never be with you all and with your spirit.
God of love and goodness, we invoke your blessings on this new school building and all the Monfort brothers, sisters, teachers, students, parents, employees, and all those who promote and contribute to the progress and development of the students' sound education in our community school. And represents joy. The second candle, the color is purple. This candle is known as prophecy candle. Third candle, Christ candle. The fourth, the sixth yellow candle is
of the day, Reverend Brother Devasi, the Provincial Superior, and also Monfort brothers coming from different places and distant places, and sisters, staff members. By God's grace and His providential care on this day. Magnificent structure here in this mayoriate, and this is because the Mother Church, wherever she is present in any parts of the world, is faithful to the command and the manifesto of our Lord Himself, whom we heard in the morning, is just now in the Gospel reading that He came to.
The road to success is not an easy path to walk.
Our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Minister for Rural Development, Land Revenue and Settlement, and Information and Public Relations. Your Lordship, Most Reverend Bishop Stephen Hawna, Bishop of High Diocese, Reverend Brother Devasi, the Provincial Superior of Monfort Brothers, Province of Northeast India. The dual ceremonies of inauguration and blessing of this new building and the associate facilities at the Monfort Academy is a proud moment. Thank you, Bishop.
Stephen Hawna, Principal Managers, because of whom this function is organized today. And I would like to start with late Bishop Dempsey, who first invited. We are also grateful to one agency like
Kan kualian suanong tak Puwel Ruat Kima Rural Development Minister Bishop of Aizawl, Most Stephen from Hlimawm, then Provincial Brother, Reverend Brother M.K. Divasi, Brother Josh Tekadam, Principal, St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Le Monfort Academy, Le Brother, Le Father, Jong Tap Tap, in Ming and Lam Seng Lava, Le Sister, Le Helai Zirtirtu, Academy Zirtirtu, Ten Velriat.
Council President kania ipui ma ya sai boy khatna ania mo criminal shat ya to
Human rights activities.
Helai Academy School, Monfort School, Top 2
Most Reverend Stephen Hlimawm, Bishop of Aizawl, Reverend Brother M.K. Divasi, guest, teachers and staff of Monfort Academy, leader of Village Council, Marriott and Hlimawm, parents and students. We are in a threshold of knowledge revealed, values of faith, trust, and community. Brothers, teachers and parents who have excellent evidence, Most Reverend Stephen Hlimawm, weekday saya sirkom ni kan ejina, sudah cuan abi takin sirna ni namlung ku, ania nam masuk na tu cuan apoi mo kera cuan sirna ani. Nai poi mo mah sudah cuanin sudah cuan rim takin leka hầu xí bằng vật coi bằng vật coi là ăn thổ ăn diều đồ chuan là ăn thổ diều là hấp đồ vậy chúng ta cho nên ăn lâu để làm tên